Discover why Nvidia stock is a must-watch before June 26th. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're exploring why Nvidia is making headlines and why it could be a pivotal buy before June 26th. Let's dive in. Tech giant Nvidia has been on a roll, with Nvidia stock gaining noticeably even on a down day in the market last Friday. This surge is likely due to the recent rebalancing of the technology select sector SPDR fund XLK. According to CNBC, the XLK fund adjusts its holdings based on market capitalization values. And Nvidia's increased weighting has given its share price a significant boost. On June 26, Nvidia will host its annual meeting online at 9 o'clock AM. Stakeholders are eager to hear about the company's strategic vision. As detailed in Nvidia's annual review document, which outlines its core attributes and future goals. A significant area of focus is the integration of artificial intelligence AI in critical industries. Nvidia's annual review highlights AI's potential to transform various sectors, including healthcare. According to Precedence Research, the AI healthcare sector was valued at $15.1 billion in 2022 and is projected to grow to $355.78 billion by 2032, reflecting a CAGR of 37.66%. Currently, NVDA stock is up nearly 2% and more than 9% over the last 5 sessions. However, this price increase raises the stakes for acquiring NVDA stock ahead of the June 26th meeting. Data from Guru Frucas shows NVDA trades at a forward earnings multiple of 50.6 times and a price-to-revenue ratio of 41.1 times. Both stats are well above the semiconductor industry norm, indicating Nvidia's premium valuation due to its significant market relevance. To provide a clearer picture, let's delve into some key statistics from Nvidia's recent performance. Revenue growth, $36.5 billion for fiscal year 2024, up 35% year over year. Earnings per share EPS, $7.2, up 35% from the previous year. Market cap, approximately $1.1 trillion as of June 2024. R&D investments, $9.4 billion in 2024, up 40% from the previous year. Market penetration, related revenue accounted for 55% of total revenue in 2024. Investors must weigh Nvidia's strong growth prospects and strategic positioning in high-growth markets against the high valuation multiples and the potential for short-term corrections. The upcoming annual shareholder meeting on June 26th could significantly impact the stock's trajectory. Make sure to stay informed and consider these factors before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to follow us, like, share, and subscribe to our channel and newsletter for more insight. Thanks for watching.